Action!
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Linda, and
Chandra.
so we're gonna do another Halloween tutorial today. This is actually the most creepy movie character I know, and it's Smiley?
I think it was
Smiley. The Smiley or Smiley. I'm just gonna put a picture here so you know what it looks like. But it's basically some kind of creature that has no nose. It's got a big smiley face and two
slit eyes.
Really scary eyes, and it freaks me out. So that's what we're gonna do. And I don't think that is gonna be so hard actually.
No, I think it's...
Because what I'm gonna use basically is tape, toilet paper, latex, fake blood, and maybe I'm gonna use something else just to make it with a little twist.
Yeah.
Maybe. Because I like that. Now we're gonna go to the tutorial. Yep. Let's start to tape your face. Because we're gonna remove the nose. So we're gonna put... This is gonna make your face look flat. I'm basically gonna do this in the whole face, and then I'm gonna cover it with toilet paper and liquid latex to make it more texturized. This looks weird actually. maybe I should just latex it down. Yeah. Be careful with latex because latex is pretty strong, and be careful having latex too close to your eyes, and close your eyes and close your mouth, and please don't breathe.
Okay.
To make these eyes, we're gonna cover, I'm sorry Shana, I'm gonna cover like the half of your eyes, like this. You're gonna drive home.
Yes, we'll see how that goes.
That is gonna be fun.
Now how the camera stopped to recognize your face.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, gee. Close your eyes. So what I'm doing now is to cover this tape with toilet paper and latex to cover up the edges and to make everything look a little bit more texturized and creepy. Yeah, actually my latex is a bit dry, but it's kind of good. I can use it as a molding paste. It works really well with this look. Already it looks... I wouldn't...
When I was a kid, I manipulated the week before.
Oh, you did? Oh my god. That is rude.
I think I was mad at someone and I was like,
Oh my god.
that girl is a traitor. Maybe I felt like, I'm doing this, so...
Yeah. So you manipulated it.
I manipulated it at a slumber party, so now my friends know that was me. 20 years later, I'm telling you, it was me.
And people are having nightmares and...
Thinking that it was...
Yeah, oh my
It
god.
was real. No.
Next step. We're gonna cut up the smile a little bit. And I'm letting it be open here, just so it makes it easier to breathe and also to move your mouth if you want to talk. Next step is basically the skin tone, and here I am using the Danessa Myricks Waterproof Cream Palette in Essentials. I'm gonna set it with Infinity Filter in Deep. So if you hug someone or if you do something you want transfer. We are going to make it a little bit more creepy. So I am going to paint black inside of the eyes and also the mouth. This would actually have been smarter to do first. Yeah, so if you do this look, do these steps first, like do a smoky eye kind of, and paint black around the mouth, because it's kind of tricky to get in all small spaces and crevices. The black is done, and now we're gonna do some red, some blood, obviously, and I'm using Anger Mood for this. I'm painting the edges of the smiley face and also around the eyes. Our colleagues just walked in and he was like, oh my god. And I like the simplicity of it, actually. Yeah. That it's not really, it takes some time to do all this like base work. The base is the most important thing, right? But the rest, it's pretty easy. You don't need much. You need latex. You can get liquid latex in some like crafty stores and hobby stores. At least now around Halloween, you can get it in a lot of places. And then toilet paper, you know where to get it, and the tape. So it's pretty simple. Now I'm using blood paste around the eyes a little, just to mess it up. Blood paste is a thicker version of film blood, and it also makes great texture. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Now I'm using another kind of blood. This is very light and it will not dry, so it will stay glossy. The last touch is infinity glass, and I will use it inside the eyes. This is like the perfect product for Halloween, because everything looks more creepy if you make it greasy, right? Yeah. And you can mix pigments and eyeshadows to get blood or dirt or whatever you want to get. Okay, this is actually one of the easiest Halloween looks that I've done. It's probably also the scariest one, because it's just so simple but so scary. But I hope you like it. Give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next Halloween video. Take care, guys.